In today's digital landscape, cyber threats are everywhere, but so are success stories. You will be introduced to inspiring examples of individuals and organizations who successfully defended against cyber attacks. These real-world stories demonstrate the power of proactive cybersecurity practices and highlight the crucial role they play in protecting data and systems. From thwarting ransomware attacks to securing critical infrastructure, these cases prove that with the right strategies, cyber resilience is possible. If you're passionate about cybersecurity and want to stay updated with more insightful content, make sure to subscribe to Adaptivids and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Now, let's dive into these remarkable cybersecurity victories. The power of proactive cybersecurity. In today's digital world, cyber threats are more prevalent than ever. From individuals to large organizations, no one is immune to cyber attacks. With hackers becoming more sophisticated, cybersecurity is no longer an option, it's a necessity. But while threats continue to evolve, so do the strategies to defend against them. In this video, we'll explore real-world cybersecurity success stories that showcase the power of proactive security measures. These inspiring cases prove that with the right approach, businesses and individuals can successfully defend against cyber threats and safeguard their digital assets. Real-world threat landscape. Cybercrime is on the rise. Recent reports indicate that cyber attacks occur every 39 seconds, and global cybercrime damages are expected to reach $5 trillion annually by 2025. High-profile breaches and ransomware attacks have caused millions in losses, underscoring the need for robust cybersecurity defenses. Consider some of the most alarming statistics. Ransomware attacks increased by 105% in the past year, affecting both businesses and individuals. Over 80% of hacking-related breaches involve stolen or weak passwords. Small businesses account for nearly 43% of cyber attacks, yet only a fraction have sufficient security measures. But amid these threats, many organizations have successfully thwarted attacks, thanks to proactive measures. Let's take a look at two remarkable success stories. Success story number 1, a small business's triumph. Our first story is inspired by real-life examples like the city of Lodi, California, which successfully defended itself against ransomware in 2019. In this case, a small e-commerce business believed they were too small to attract attention from hackers. Unfortunately, cyber criminals often see small companies as easy targets. One morning, the company's employees discovered they were locked out of all systems due to a ransomware attack. The attackers demanded a large payment in Bitcoin. Investigation revealed the hackers exploited a weak remote access password. Thankfully, the business had recently implemented automated cloud backups, endpoint detection tools, and a well-documented incident response plan. The IT team acted swiftly, isolating infected systems to stop the spread. Because their backups were secure and frequently tested, they were able to restore operations without paying the ransom. Employees had also received cybersecurity training, helping them identify phishing emails that led to the breach. Instead of giving in to the ransom demand, the company wiped infected machines and restored systems from backups. Their preparation helped avoid financial and data loss. Key lessons: regular, tested backups are critical for recovery. Multi-factor authentication can block unauthorized access. Training staff to recognize phishing can stop attacks early. Success story number 2, how a bank stopped a major cyber attack in its tracks. A leading international bank with millions of customers worldwide suddenly became the target of a massive distributed denial-of-service attack. Within minutes, the attackers launched a flood of fake traffic from a botnet army, attempting to overwhelm the bank's servers and shut down its online services. With customer transactions, mobile banking, and ATM networks on the line, even a few minutes of downtime could damage the bank's reputation and cost millions in lost business. Fortunately, the bank had prepared for this exact scenario. Their cybersecurity team had implemented a multi-layered defense strategy, including artificial intelligence-powered threat detection that continuously monitored traffic patterns, real-time traffic analysis and filtering to identify and block malicious traffic, cloud-based distributed denial-of-service attack mitigation services to absorb and deflect large volumes of data, a well-rehearsed incident response plan to coordinate actions across teams. The system detected the abnormal traffic spike immediately. Within seconds, AI algorithms flagged the activity, and automated defenses rerouted malicious requests away from the bank's core infrastructure. Behind the scenes, cybersecurity experts fine-tuned the filters, ensuring that legitimate customer traffic wasn't affected. Despite being under heavy fire, the bank stayed operational. Customers experienced little to no disruption, and no data was compromised. By acting quickly and leveraging AI and automation, the bank turned a potential crisis into a cybersecurity success. Speed is critical. Automated, real-time threat detection can prevent major damage. AI and machine learning are essential for identifying abnormal behavior patterns. Cloud-based distributed denial-of-service mitigation offers scalable protection against large-scale attacks. A clear incident response plan ensures fast, coordinated action during a crisis. Lessons learned in best practices. Cybersecurity is not optional. Proactive measures can prevent major damages. Regular backups and strong authentication can protect against ransomware. AI-driven threat detection and real-time monitoring enhance security defenses. Practical steps for better cybersecurity. Use multi-factor authentication for all sensitive accounts. Regularly update software and security patches to fix vulnerabilities. Train employees on cybersecurity awareness to prevent phishing attacks. Invest in artificial intelligence-based threat detection systems to stay ahead of hackers. Implement zero-trust security models to verify every access request. Building a strong security culture. A strong security culture starts with awareness and education. Organizations must ensure that employees, customers, and stakeholders understand the importance of cybersecurity. Implementing regular training programs can significantly reduce human-related security risks. Cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, it's a business priority. Cybersecurity, a shared responsibility. Importance of collaboration. Cybersecurity is not just an individual effort, it requires collaboration between businesses, governments, and cybersecurity experts. Sharing threat intelligence and best practices can help prevent large-scale attacks. Governments and regulatory bodies are enforcing stricter cybersecurity laws, encouraging organizations to adopt better security policies, data encryption techniques, and compliance frameworks. These regulations are shaping a more secure digital environment. The future of cybersecurity. As cyber threats evolve, so must our defenses. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence-driven security, blockchain for secure transactions, and zero-trust architectures are shaping the future of cybersecurity. Organizations must stay ahead by continuously adapting to new threats. With quantum computing on the horizon, encryption methods are also evolving. Future-proofing security means staying informed, investing in advanced tools, and fostering a cyber-aware workforce. Now that you've seen how proactive cybersecurity measures can make a difference, it's time to take action. Stay informed, implement strong security practices, and encourage a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Every step taken today can prevent a devastating cyber attack tomorrow. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Let's work together to create a safer digital world. Before you go, hit the subscribe button on Adaptivids and turn on notifications bell for more cybersecurity insights.